Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called Bank on It. It is a one wall dance, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. If you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you want to dance to the music, watch till the end. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you so very kindly. I appreciate you, and thank you for supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 2026. We sold out in record time. Y'all guys are awesome, and we're looking forward to having you as our guest in 2026. So are you ready? Let's go. So I'm going to turn my back to you because it's a one wall dance. Okay, so it's going to start with a shuffle up. Right, left, right. And the left leg is going to come forward. You're going to dip left, right, left, right. Okay? So again, shuffle up on the right. That left leg comes forward and you're going to dip left, right, left, right. 5, 6, 7, shuffle right. 1 and 2, dip 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So my weight is on my right, my left heel is up, and I'm going to shuffle up on the left. Left, right, left. So just what I did on the right, I'm going to do on the right, on the left. That right comes forward and I dip. Right, left, right, left. Okay? So far what I do on the right, I'm doing on the left. Okay? I shuffle up on the right, right, dip. Left, right, left, right, shuffle. Left, right, left, dip. Right, left, okay? So let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, and right, dip. Left, right, left. Left, right, dip. Right, left. So those two movements on the right and the left moves us forward. So this time we're going to move back with a lock step. Right, and left, left. So that's going to move us back to where we started from. Okay? So a lock step is just like a shuffle back. Right, left, left. Okay? So all you're doing is step to the front and then step back. Step back, cross front, and step back. That's a lock step. Step on the right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. All right, so let's put that together with the shuffle. So far, we really have done two things. We shuffling up and rock, that's 1, and we lock step back, that's 2. And we're doing it on the right and the left. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, shuffle up. 1 and 2, rock. 3, 4, 5, 6, shuffle. 1 and 2, here. 3, 4, 5, 6. Lock. Right, lock. Left, left. Again. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shuffle. 7 and 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? So now we're going to do a hood walk. Right, rock, left, right, hood, left, rock, right, left. So, again, hood walk. Right, rock, left, right, left. Same thing you do on the right, you do on the left. Right, rock, left, right, left. Then we're going to do an out and cross on the right. Out and cross, out and cross. Again, out and cross, From here, you're going to do a salsa. Up, right, back, left. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. In the dance. All right, so let's put it all together. So let me give you a review. We shuffle up on the right. The left go forward, we rock. Dip left, right. Same thing on the left. Shuffle left and we dip with that right. Right, left, right, left. So we've moved up on the right and the left. So now let's move back on the right and the left with lockstep. Right, left, right, left. So we move up and we move back. Now let's stay in place by doing a hood walk. Right, right, step left, right, hood walk. Left, right, left. Out and cross on the right, out and cross. Salsa, up 1, 2, back 3, and 4. We still at the same wall, the dance starts over. All right, with the shuffle up, yes. So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, shuffle, 7 and 8, rock 1, 2, 3, 4, lock 5 and 6, 7 and hood walk, 1 and 2, 3, 4, hood, 5 and 6, 7, 8, out and cross, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, salsa, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now, I said it was a 32 count, so let's count 8 counts 4 times. And make sure I have all the steps. We're going to count 8 counts 4 times. Here we go. From the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, lock 5 and 6, 7 and hood walk. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Out across. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That lets me know I got all the steps together. That's called Bank on It. It is a one-wall dance. Click right here. Let's dance together. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Share this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.